Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change a photo in a Canva template. Whether we are customizing a design for social media, presentations, or marketing, we can follow these simple steps to replace an existing image with our own. For example, in the Canva dashboard, if this is our template and we want to change the photo, all we need to do is delete the photo first. Then click on Uploads and upload the photo we want to use. For instance, we can go to Pictures, then Wallpapers. Let's choose this photo. Now let's wait for it to upload. Once the upload is complete, we just need to drag the photo to the position where we want it. As we can see, it is now inserted into the template. That's how we change a photo in a Canva template. It's a quick and easy way to personalize any design and make it our own.